emva kokusebenza kanzima usuku belolude liphelile vele neholiday kusasa kuyavuka kuye emsebenzini asithi sisebenze kanzima kulezi insuku sivashela abantu abaxakekile abakhahlamezwe ezikhukhula thina esindile ahlangane silekelele abantu ngayo yonke indlela bese siyambonga uNkulunkulu ingoma ngizokufakela yona iHoly City kodwa ngizokushaya ngeJerusalem ichorus sibonge kanye nawe nje uNkulunkulu langa siloshona kungolwesibili ntambama ishawa yimi iqalwa yimi ukuthi kuphakathi bese kuba yimi bese ngiyibamba kanje Holy City Jerusalem
Need of you lost eyes by night or sun to shine by day. It was that Jerusalem that would not pass away. It was the new Jerusalem that would not pass Ayanda Msweli Foundation Wingwenya hayi bekuyena kuZulu Pavarotti lo sithimba abanqobi uZulu Pavarotti chairperson wethu Ayanda Msweli from Ukhozi FM. Thank you so much. Siyabonga Ngwenya.
Thank you.
Bless you.